How to update YouTube TV payment method 2025 method. Most people get this wrong. They keep their old payment information on YouTube TV and end up missing payments, losing access, or even facing unexpected fees. The surprising truth about updating your payment method in 2025 is that it's faster, more secure, and more flexible than ever, but only if you know the right steps. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your YouTube TV payment method in 2025, step by step, so you never run into billing issues again. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access your payment settings, update or replace your current method, troubleshoot common issues, and even leverage multiple payment options for convenience and security. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify why updating your payment method is so important. YouTube TV is a subscription service that requires a valid payment method to keep your account active. Failing to update an expired card, canceled account, or outdated bank information can result in service interruptions, loss of DVR recordings, and missed access to your favorite channels. In 2025, YouTube TV allows multiple payment options including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and certain digital wallets, making it easier to manage your subscription than ever before. Now let's talk about accessing your payment settings. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or go to tv.youtube.com on a web browser. Step 2. Sign into the account that has the subscription you want to update. Step 3. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Membership or Billing. This is where all your payment information is stored and managed. Next, let's talk about updating the payment method. Within the Billing section, you'll see your current payment method listed. To update it, click on Edit or Update Payment Method. You can then enter new credit or debit card details, or choose PayPal if you prefer. In 2025, YouTube TV allows you to add multiple payment methods, which can serve as backup options to avoid failed transactions. Make sure the billing address you enter matches the one on file with your bank to prevent verification issues. Now, let's talk about saving your new payment method. After entering the new details, double-check for accuracy, card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Click Save or Update to apply changes. You may be asked to authenticate the payment method via a verification process, such as a one-time code sent by your bank or a PayPal login confirmation. Once verified, YouTube TV will automatically charge the updated method on your next billing cycle. Now let's talk about using multiple payment methods. YouTube TV in 2025 allows you to keep more than one payment option linked to your account. This is useful if your primary card expires, or if you want to switch between a personal card and a company card for billing purposes. Simply add an additional payment method and set it as primary if you want it to be charged first. The system will automatically fall back to your secondary option if the primary fails, ensuring uninterrupted service. Next, let's talk about troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes, even after updating your payment method, YouTube TV may decline the charge. This could be due to an incorrect billing address, expired card, insufficient funds, or bank restrictions. If this happens, double-check your information and contact your bank if necessary. You can also remove and re-add the payment method, which often resolves the issue. In 2025, YouTube TV also provides notifications for declined payments, giving you the chance to fix issues before service interruption occurs. Now let's talk about regional payment options. Depending on your country, YouTube TV may accept specific digital wallets or regional payment providers. In 2025, they have expanded options for international users, so it's worth checking your billing section for available methods. Using a supported local payment method can reduce the risk of declines and make recurring payments smoother. Now, let's discuss security. Updating your payment method on YouTube TV is secure. The platform uses encryption and secure protocols to store your information safely. Always ensure you are on the official website or app, and avoid entering payment details on shared or public devices. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account for an added layer of security. Now, let's talk about automatic updates. Many banks now support automatic updates of card information through YouTube TV's billing system. If your card is replaced due to expiration or loss, some financial institutions can push the new card details to YouTube TV automatically, reducing the need for manual updates. Check with your bank to see if this feature is available in 2025. Now, let's talk about canceling a payment method. If you no longer want a card or PayPal account linked to your YouTube TV, you can remove it in the billing section. Keep in mind that YouTube TV requires at least one active payment method. Removing your primary method without a backup may lead to failed billing and account suspension. Always add a new method first before removing the old one. Now, let's talk about applying promotions and gift cards. In addition to standard payment methods, YouTube TV allows you to redeem gift cards or promotional codes. These can be applied alongside your primary payment method. For example, if you have a YouTube TV gift card, it can cover part or all of your monthly subscription. Simply enter the code in the billing section and confirm, and YouTube TV will deduct the amount from the gift card balance first before charging your payment method. Now, let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Maria, who updated her expired credit card to a new one on YouTube TV. She also added a PayPal backup. The next billing cycle, her primary card had an issue, but YouTube TV automatically charged her PayPal account, preventing service disruption. Meanwhile, Ahmed used a YouTube TV gift card to partially cover his monthly fee, reducing the amount charged to his primary card. These examples highlight the flexibility and security of managing payment methods correctly. Now, let's discuss advantages. The advantages of updating and managing your payment method on YouTube TV are clear. You prevent service interruptions, take advantage of promotions, and maintain flexibility with multiple payment options. It also helps in budgeting, as you can control which account or card is used for billing each month. In 2025, the platform's enhancements make it faster and easier to switch payment methods without logging multiple calls to support. Now, let's talk about potential mistakes. Common mistakes include entering incorrect card information, ignoring expired cards, not checking your billing address, or failing to verify new payment methods. Another mistake is removing a primary method without a backup. These errors can lead to declined payments and service interruptions, but all are easily avoidable with careful attention to detail. Now, let's provide some tips for success. First, always double-check your payment details. Second, consider keeping a backup payment method. Third, monitor your email or app notifications for billing alerts. Fourth, use gift cards or promotional credits strategically to reduce charges. Fifth, if you encounter issues, remove and re-add the payment method. It often fixes declines. Following these steps ensures uninterrupted YouTube TV service in 2025. Now let's answer the big question. Is updating your YouTube TV payment method worth the effort? Absolutely. It's a simple step that prevents disruptions, allows you to use promotions effectively, and keeps your subscription running smoothly. Whether you're changing banks, upgrading cards, or switching payment platforms, doing it right ensures you continue enjoying YouTube TV without hassle. So let me ask you this. Do you want to risk missed payments and service interruptions, or do you want to take control of your YouTube TV billing, secure your payment methods, and make your subscription seamless in 2025? If this guide helped, like the video so others can benefit too. Subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below what method are you switching to for YouTube TV in 2025. Remember, managing payment methods isn't just about entering numbers, it's about control, security, and ensuring your entertainment runs uninterrupted. In 2025, YouTube TV makes it easier than ever if you know the right steps.